Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do a makeup tutorial using a Beautycounter eyeshadow palette. So I was gifted this Beautycounter eyeshadow palette by a Beautycounter consultant. I have actually never used Beautycounter makeup products before, so I'm excited to try it. This particular eyeshadow palette is called the Ultimate Nudes, and it has 18 eyeshadow colors. It looks like there's some warm colors, some cool colors, and some neutrals. So let's go ahead and just open it. So it's really pretty. I like that. So that's cool. So it comes with a little mirror, and it actually, I believe, pulls out with that little tab. So here are the colors. They are very pretty. There's some warms, cools, and neutrals. And it does come with a little brush down here as well. You have a combo between matte colors and shimmer colors, which is good. A few transition colors, a few dark colors. So it looks good. So if you want to learn how to do a makeup look using this palette, then stay tuned. So I'm going to prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I'm just taking a little bit and spreading it evenly between my two eyelids. I'm starting with the color Eggshell in a flat, fluffy brush, and I'm going to put this product all over the eyelid. This preps the eye for the other colors I'm going to be using by evening out the skin tone, and will help the other colors blend well too. Then taking the soft peach color and a fluffy crease brush, I'm putting this color along the eye crease. This is the start of creating a soft depth and dimension look, and I'm just using a windshield wiper motion to do this. Next, I'm going in with the colors Canyon and Sienna, and I'm mixing these two colors because one is cool and one is warm, and I want to neutralize them both. I'm using a more dense, fluffy crease brush, and I'm placing these colors in the crease and then dragging it kind of towards on the outer eyelid. This is going to deepen the crease a little bit more by building on top of the last color I used. Then going in with the color Bordeaux and a dense outer crease brush, I'm packing this color on the outer edge of the eyelid, but I'm also blending it up towards and slightly into the crease. Then taking that fluffy crease brush, I'm just using it to kind of go over all the colors that I just used to blend everything out and make sure that there's no harsh lines. Then using the color Mink and a short, flat, dense brush, I'm placing this color on basically the outer third of the eyelid. Then taking the color Spice and Pink Champagne, and I'm going to be putting these colors on the rest of the eyelid into the inner corner. Then using the color Cashmere and a pencil brush and placing this color just on the inner corner. This adds dimension and pop to the eye. Then going back in with that Bordeaux color and the crease brush and just kind of patting the color back into the crease. I'm just building up the color more because I wanted it a little darker. Then taking that Cashmere color and a short flat brush, I'm just popping it on the brow bone for some highlight. And for eyeliner, I'm using the Urban Decay Perversion Eyeliner Pen, and this I'm just drawing along my natural lash line. And for foundation, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation with a flat Kabuki brush. For concealer, I'm using the NARS Creamy Concealer, and I'm just doing a quick conceal underneath the eyes. I'm taking that foundation brush and just kind of blending it in. I like to do this because that way the conceal color and the foundation color all blends with each other. Then just taking some translucent powder by NYX and a powder brush and just kind of popping it on real quick underneath the eyes and just some areas on the face to help set the makeup. Then using the Sculptor palette by Pure Cosmetics and an angled face brush, I'm mixing the two contour colors and placing this underneath the cheekbones, following the hollows of the cheeks, as well as hitting the top of the forehead and the sides of the nose for a slimming effect. Then taking that gold shimmery highlight color, I am placing it on the highest points of the cheekbones, around the temples, and as well as kind of down the center of the nose and the face. And for eyebrows, I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz eye pencil, and I'm just filling in my eyebrows and defining them. Then back to the eyes, I'm taking that Bordeaux color and a short definer brush, and I'm just running that color along the outer edge of the lower lash line. Then using the same brush in the color Mink, I'm placing the color in the middle of the lower lash line and kind of blending it inward and outward. And for eyeliner, I'm using Scandalize by Rimmel, and I'm just lining the upper and the lower waterline. And I'm going to add some false lashes. These are Demi Wispies by Ardell. They are some of my favorites. And to finish the look, I'm using a lip gloss by Adesse New York. This is just a really pretty true deep brown. I actually got it in a BoxyCharm and it's super creamy and definitely high gloss, but it's really nicely pigmented. Alright guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial using the Beautycounter Ultimate Nudes eyeshadow palette. If you have any questions about the palette or about Beautycounter itself, I will leave a link to the consultant in the box below. And if you want to see more Beautycounter tutorials, then please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, I will see you next time.